noticed I haven't been vlogging much at all, but I assure you so much has been going on. I've been doing my best to capture some of it, and in fact, in this video, it's a vlog to capture probably the last week, and so much stuff at work and at home. Let's get to it. It's Monday morning. I came into the office just quickly to grab our microblading kit. I'm meeting with our microblading instructor for lunch to talk about a number of things that I'm excited about. So let's get going. It's a beautiful day, so of course I had to bring the CLS out. I don't drive this car enough to remember that it is so low. I always forget not to wear buttons. Hi. Yeah, I don't have reservations, but for yes.
I'll send you the stuff.
Wow.
Oh, that is nice.
Double lobster ravioli. I mean, you really have to go with your gut.
Yeah.
That's true. A new day and a new Tim Hortons tea. Hey, they got it right this time.
I did some posts for Kula. People started calling my office for Kula.
And now we have to go home? Let's go home. Good. So I'm finally picking up my dry cleaning of the things I wore in China. They're nice and clean for next time.
Beautiful.
Thank you. So I can't wait to wear these again. They're usually for travel. I'm probably going to put them away.
But the dress is bold, so nice on you. I can see beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, no, they're my favorite. Oh, I can't believe they look so good, so nice and clean. Thank you so much. Huh?
Pink.
The pink one? Yeah. They're
Oh,
so
the pink
nice.
dress sleeve is so modern. It's beautiful.
Thank you, thank you.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. You're so cute. Hey, it's Mahana. So you might have seen some of my other aloe videos. I had come up with a couple of ways to use aloe vera gel from these leaves here. Link below to those videos. But basically I talked about using aloe vera gel for my dry skin, and I have another leaf here. I'm going to extract more gel out because I got through those ones. I had created a lip scrub. I combined it with castor oil to grow out my lashes, and I used the gel straight on over my face to help with some pigmentation and dryness. So this leaf is just going to be a simple extraction of the gel, but I was watching that video recently and I realized that I had created something for myself that I haven't even used. I forgot about it, in fact. The video recently, and I realized that I had created something that I haven't even used yet. It was a mixture of cucumbers and aloe gel to attempt to shrink some of the pores that I've seen on my face. So these are basically cucumber and aloe ice cubes, and the idea after I cleanse my face is to swipe these all over, and the cucumber will get rid of some of the puffiness in the face, and the aloe mixed in there should probably shrink my pores. And I can't wait to use this. There are 6, so I will use 1 a day for the next week, and I'll keep you posted on that. Here's another little combination. I guess my style is based on whatever I can find. This time I'm trying mangoes, carrots, apples, cucumber, and this kale that has been sitting around and is getting very limp. So we're gonna do that and see how this one turns out. Inaya? Say again? Somebody else seems to be enjoying her drink. Let's see if we can enjoy ours. Well, that combination actually did turn out pretty nicely, and since I have some leftover kale leaves, Cash has this idea to turn these into kale chips that are baked in the oven. Now, I've never done this. I didn't even get a chance to look up how to even do it, but I figure we should season it. So I have some olive oil to hold these seasonings together. It's just some salt, pink salt, garlic, and cayenne pepper. So I'm just gonna wash these, get some seasoning on it, and throw it in the oven. Well, here they are. I kept them in there a bit longer. I didn't expect them to be so brown, but weren't getting to that level of crispiness than I wanted. I think it's because they were wet before the seasoning went on. So next time after I wash them, I'll give them a chance to dry off before we go in with the olive oil. But you know what? I had one, and this is so delicious. They look a lot better in a nice little plate here, but you know what? These are all ready. Super addictive. To City Hall. The last time I was here was almost 15 years ago for our marriage license. This time I need to submit some drawings that was put together by a mechanical engineer, all these requirements to get a plumbing permit in order to do some construction and plumbing work at the new location. I mean, I certainly don't know how to read these, but if this is what they need, then hey, I'm going to provide it to them. Somehow I ended up outside. I guess I took the wrong elevator, but this is a cool little ice rink here. Wish I could skate. I went up to the 3rd floor, but it was the wrong tower, so I have to go back down. Let's try this again. Yes. So I've submitted everything, now I can get on with my day. Found my car. I can use a break, so I've scheduled a paint night with some ladies in the neighborhood. This should be fun. More drawings, but the permit is in. I am so thrilled we can move forward with setting up the salon. Finally received that permit, and I'm heading over to the salon right now to check on some of the work that's going on. They sent me a picture. It's shocking. I almost passed out. I have to see this for myself. Let's go. This is so hard to look at, but this is absolutely necessary, so I guess we're gonna have to deal with it. This is the beautiful salon that we had to rip up to do some further plumbing works. My goodness. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll subscribe and follow along. There's so much more to do in the coming weeks. I'll see you in the next video.